What's up, people? We are coming to you live from Radcliff today, Saunders Springs. We are going to do, here's a map. We're going to do the perimeter loop, which is the green line on that map, and probably a little bit more. So let's get it. If you did not know, they also have a lot of trails for mountain bikes. And this is one of them here in the woods. And of course, benches for you to sit on, picnic tables throughout the park too. We're gonna head this way. Perimeter Trail, mile 0.0. And the sign does indicate mountain bike and hiking. There are some cabins here in the park as well. When you first come in, you can see some of them. There's one right there. There's another one right over here. And of course, I was just mentioning them, and there is a cabin connector trail, which you can take right there. That goes up to the cabins at the entrance to Saunders Springs. Little primitive shelter someone built here. Looks like it's seen better days. Looks like there's a couple logs in there for seating, but it's collapsed a bit. And of course, we love when they put bridges. Cross trail here, center trail, and of course we're doing a perimeter and indication of bathrooms. And we are following the green. hawk up there. Trail eventually comes out by the housing area. There's another trailhead right up there. I'm not sure I'm parking. Maybe if anybody watching knows. But that is definitely another trailhead for this trail. Here's also some of the noise you may have been hearing during the video. It's a water treatment plant back in this area. Came upon wood hens. So from the main perimeter trail, I saw a side chute, little off trail. Decided to take it. I stayed to the left, if you know where I'm talking about. I'm just going to see where this goes. It obviously gets used because some of the sections had trees down, but they were cut through. So the trail's used. I think by Google Maps it looks like it takes you to Saunders Springs Lake. So I'm going to follow it. We'll see where it goes. There you go. Definitely a lake back there. Looks like there's something a little further back too, but I'm not going to go all the way back there. Well, I figured while we were out here by the lake, Might as well put up the hammock, take a break. We've been out here for 2 hours, a little over. What do we got here? 5.5 miles. So it's break time. All right, back on the main trail after taking a nice break there in the hammock. So that trail is a high-low trail. That kind of leads to that, but what do we got up here? That trail was about, I don't know, 0.5 one way. Another bike area. This perimeter trail. There was a sign. It's gone. Nice. Mountain bike people, come on out. Try out these trails. We got a nice little turn right there. There you go. There you go. The elevator is what this was that I just showed you. Oh yeah, love it when there's bridges. Not that there's any water. Getting close to the end, there's that trail. Looks like they got something broke there. That was showing you at the beginning for the bikers. Definitely a lot more people. You can probably hear music in the background. A lot more people here now. There we go. Back at the beginning. Now they got caution tape up. Not sure if they got an event going on. Might be a mountain biking event going on. I don't know. All right, we are back at the car. A lot more people here. Total distance 6.85. We're going to wrap this one up. Good trail here at Saunders Spring. I only did the perimeter trail and I guess part of the high-low trail. Almost 7 miles, so we'll wrap this one up here. Till next time, we'll see you outside.